everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. As an affiliate marketer, if you've been following my video, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and presently I'm still training people on how to make money through ClickBank. As an affiliate marketer, one of the things you need to consider is where you get your traffic from. And there are two sources for your traffic system. You can have a free traffic system and a paid traffic system. The free traffic system include the Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, and freelancing. Yes, you can pay freelancers to get traffic for you. And there's also you also have the free traffic system, which is where I'm coming, because over the years, through my struggle in affiliate marketing, I have tried several traffic system methods by which I can get traffic to my affiliate platforms, but many of the methods I tried did not give me my desired result. So also, as a software developer, I've developed this affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which has been helping me and has been generating organic traffic for me over the years, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine already. As you can see on the screen, these are excellent results. So my software works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate platforms or link to these organic leads so that you can get commission, you can get sales. And we all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting a commission for each product to sell. So my software is up for sale and I'm ready to train as many people as are ready to earn big in affiliate marketing. Yes, because due to my struggles, so I have passion for affiliate marketers around the world, and I also create a bigger platforms for affiliate marketers around the world to train affiliate marketers. And I'm also coming out. I still have more opportunities for affiliate marketers and digital marketers online. But now we are still on ClickBank, and I'm still training people on how to make big money on ClickBank. So to get my software and video course today, to join the clique of the smart ones that can make an edge in affiliate marketing and are earning millions, contact me on my Gmail today at skyward@gmail.com, or text me on my Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Contact me on my Gmail at skyward@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today, and join the clique of the smart ones that can make millions in affiliate marketing while you sleep. You don't have to share link or be active all the time now. You just have to get my software and follow my method. Also, my video course contains some method and techniques that is going to improve your sales. There are some techniques which you need to know as an affiliate marketer. It's not just about marketing. There's a way you need to choose a product and to have a steady client and steady buyer, so that you can have big sales like the one you can see on the screen. And my students also know that I'm always available for them. When you get my software and video course, I'm going to create a sales page for your product which you are going to market with my software, and I'm going to guide you. My software is my course is self-explanatory, but I can also train you till I can guide you till you make big sales and you can start working on your own. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywrite07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms. So get my software and video course today and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by my name Skywrite and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.